Welcome back, folks. Today we're gonna do a devlog update number 5, I believe, and let's actually recap what I've done since devlog number 4, which was about skills. Now I've added a UI, player UI. Need to tinker with the color here, but should be fine. You have the fatigue bar. Now I need to regulate this thing and to properly I need to fine tune the balance between being too fatigued and not enough fatigue. It's a game balance thing. You got your party members here. Keep in mind, in the game it's a little bit bigger. You got your party members, their health, their fatigue, and their skill bar, something that I still need to set up. But anyway, I added some animations for when you switch. I need to play with the pivot because clearly it's a little bit desynced. Some frames are not aligned. That's the plight of using the pivot. And then what else? Oh yes, the computer, I made some animation. Now when you access the computer, it's gonna animate like that. You have a selected button here. If you're using the controls, if you're using the mouse, it's gonna be the good old Unity bug where you have choose selected items, mostly because I think the event system sees these as highlighted and not selected, but whatever. You have a wide scan. When you access a computer, you can check the map. You can see where you are here. It's a screenshot of the area, basically. Now you have a skill system. I've created icons here. I've got descriptions, and you need to buy this one before you can actually buy the other ones. I can go next. I'm sorry, this is because of this icon was in the scene the icon is active. This one is active. I need to disable this one, so when you access this menu it properly deloads them. Don't mind that, it's a test. So you have different icons. I made them. Need to fix this one to scale better. I just implemented them like yesterday, so might need to fine-tune them. So there is an ability for you can improve, like nano shotguns allow to revive incapacitated team members. Emergency plasma injection increase the amount of health restored to revive team members. And so force sensors are allowed to act to disable all robotic enemies while the cloaking field is active. So there are different things that you can do. Increase the duration. You need to firstly acquire the skill. And yeah, this could be interesting to see in action. Can go back. There are items here. I removed the opaque screen. I need to fix some of the graphic, like this thing is a little bit the colors that you wouldn't see in the opaque version, but this is what it is. The weapons did the same. You can upgrade them. They gain stuff as you go. And that's about all there is to it. Just need to fine tune them too, because this thing cannot exist in a product. So just that. We can upgrade all the weapons, and when you exit the shop, it's gonna take a while. There you go. It's my because I have BlueStack running in the background playing Final Fantasy, so it's gonna take the CPU. And what else? Oh yes, let's cheat a little bit so I can show you a little thing. Okay, what is the, say I wanna go for Team Omega somewhere. Team Omega. Okay, let's say I wanna cheat a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Let's say I wanna use the heavy gunner. Let's go to his skills. He has acquired magically his skill. Now if I go and use it in a place like where I can show you, well, it shoots missiles. and they have a random direction that they can go. It's like a swarm. Of course, this is a small area, so you wouldn't be able to see. Then what do we have? We have the shield system that I implemented for the heavy gunner female. Let's go ahead. It creates a shield that lasts and makes you immune to stuff. Then I've got the hacker. It's been acquired. Now the hacker, it makes you invisible to enemies, so they do not aggro you, and you can disable. I need to probably play with the opacity of the player, if it is a thing, maybe, or maybe I should add some kind of visual effect. Anyway, anything else here? No. As you can see, we gain fatigue, and when you're not using it, see, this is fatigue. When you are not using her, you're gonna, oh, and let's maximize this. So this is the skill cooldown bar, and this is the fatigue system. Now if I switch back to hacker, she has lost the fatigue. So you are encouraged to play with different characters. I added some muzzle flash here. I implemented every weapon, so now we have a shotgun, and we have a light machine gun, we have a minigun. Look at how fast the minigun shoots. And then we have the projectiles for the plasma injector. There you go. So that's about everything. I also thought I did some fine tuning, but let's take a look see here, because there is something that baffles me, and it is, how can these things go through walls? I don't know. You might ask, well, maybe there's a hole in the composite that you're using here. Maybe, but where? How did this bat just translate it through the walls here? How is it possible? Everything is connected here. They cannot possibly do that, right? See? Everything is connected. Maybe here, is it possible? No, because it's connected here. Another one just decided to go through there. I don't know. I don't really know. It's not the position, it's not going back. So it's just so random. It makes me really sad. Now it's gone into... Wait a second, maybe the problem is here actually. Maybe the problem is indeed here. Something happens. See, another one has just... All these things are leaving the space, and I don't know why. I've got no clue. I got nothing. There is absolutely nothing that makes them go that way, because everything has been walled off. So how can you even go through there? That's scary, because I mean, it's not a big issue. It's just one enemy, or some enemies running around. I just don't know why they do that. More than one enemy. I just don't know how it is possible that these enemies get spawned here. So let's see, for instance, who spawned you? Look at this guy. Who spawned you? Let's see your spawn. You're spawner 11. Spawner 11, who are you? Can I just... Oh, it's the name. It's not even the... Oh, it's the object. No, it's the name. So spawner 11 has created bad things. So what is spawner? Do I have to manually look for spawners? Spawner 11. So you... Oh, is it because it's too close to the wall and it makes things... I don't know. We should probably check this out. Maybe this thing is too close, and but it distantiates and things here, so it shouldn't be No, just go here, please, please, please. No, just go. So see, it spawns bats there, and it spawns them there. So how are you going through? I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. See, they are all inside. Now they are not going outside. Now they are all spawning inside, see? Now we have no problem at all. I think the problem might be when you scale the time. So let's see if I go into the computer. This should stop, okay? Which means that now these guys could potentially go outside. It doesn't make any sense, right? I don't know. Now everything is fine. Can someone explain this to me? When you're looking, it's fine. When you're not looking, it's not fine. Why? Well, anyway, that's the progress. Beats me. Obviously, it spawns only bats now because in the spawner I have only added the bat template. I will have to add more enemies to the spawn so you can choose which one to spawn, which is going to be random. So that's good progress, I believe. I've yeah. I really did something nice here. I like it. I really like it. I like how it's coming out. Obviously, there are some bugs to fix, some weird things that happen. But I do believe I need to refine the graphic. That's for sure. What is this thing? Why? Why does? What is this thing? I don't know what it is. Don't care. I'm gonna have to fix some of the graphic. And wide scan. Yeah, cool story, bro. We can exit the shop. Everything is fine. And this guy, what do you know? He went out. See, when I use the computer, something happens. When I use the computer. Well, anyway, that's all I have to show you for today. This is the update. I'm gonna have to fix it. I mean, it's not necessary to fix this bug. I mean, it's just one monster or a couple of monsters going out of their way. But yeah, hopefully it will be fine. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.